fast at times, but probably don't give myself enough credit. And I qualified 6th. So I'm outside row 2, next to a Concrete Motorsports team, multi-million-dollar team. Everybody knows who they are. Inside of that was Todd Wiley. Everybody knows Todd Wiley. He shoots the thrill. You come to the race, you come to see Todd Wiley. He's fast as shit. He's gonna thrill you. He's gonna give you something to clap for. He's gonna get something. You're gonna be on your feet watching the Wiley go by. First line goes off, and 15 seconds later, it's our turn. I tell Sarah, we're prepping. Sarah rides with me, by the way. And I tell Sarah, I said, well, when this thing goes off, when these guys start to pull us, I'm just gonna slide all the way around behind them and take that left-hand line, because that's where I wanna be going in the moon bumps. I'm watching the flag guy, his hand goes up, he's holding 5, 4, and I'm inching. 1, green flag moves, I hammer it. What happened next, I was not expecting. I'm actually pulling the concrete truck, and I'm accelerating past the Wiley. And I'm going, are you kidding me right now? This is freaking happening. And then I tell Sarah, I'm going now. I'm fucking taking that inside line, I'm going now. And I shoot across the track, and I don't know how much dirt I potentially shoved at you, Todd, I'm sorry. But I was just like, I want that line, I want it now. And even the camera guy goes, I expected an orange hood to come over that first bump, but I wasn't expecting it to be your orange hood. I held him off through the moon bumps, which was really, the whole time I'm like, don't screw up, don't screw up, don't screw up, because those things are sketchy at speed. And I think I held off Todd for the first mile and a half, and he finally went around me. But that moment, I was first, I was winning. And I'm gonna hang my hat on that, that was pretty cool.
Never lay down, never give up.